Good afternoon, second graders. We are moving into Unit 5, Lesson 4, which is about reading picture graphs. Your learning targets: I can solve problems on a picture graph by comparing two or more pieces of information. I can solve problems on a picture graph by solving put together and take away problems. We are looking at two different graphs on this page. And just to review, to compare things, it means that we're looking for things that are the same and things that are different. So if you look at number 1, Carla has 3 more balloons than Peter. Carla has 7 balloons and Peter has 4 balloons. So 7 minus 4 equals 3 more balloons. If you look at the second problem, Hannah has 2 fewer balloons than Carla. Carla has 7 balloons and Hannah has 5 balloons. Hannah has a smaller amount of balloons than Carla, so 7 minus 5 equals 2 fewer balloons. If you look at the second picture graph, this is about leaves collected. We have 3 students, Amari, Sam, and Marco. Number 3 says Amari needs 4 more leaves to have as many as Sam has. Sam has 8 leaves and Amari has 4 leaves, so 8 minus 4 equals 4. The fourth problem, if Sam gives away 2 leaves, he will have as many leaves as Marco has. So Marco has 6 leaves and Sam has 8 leaves. 8 minus 6 equals 2. The next page is talking about put together and take apart problems. So putting together means that we're adding together. Taking apart means that we are subtracting. So number 5, if you're looking at the picture graph of apples, this is a put together problem. How many apples did Mrs. Reed buy? You look at the graph and you count up the red, green, and yellow apples, and you can see that she bought 8 apples. Number 6 is a take apart problem. We have 2 different places where these apples are. Some are in a bowl and some are in the bag. And it tells us that 2 green apples, 1 yellow apple, and 1 red apple are in the bowl. And that would be 4 apples altogether. So if there are 8 apples total, 4 of them are in the bowl, then the rest of them are in the bag. This means that 4 apples are in the bag. And I circled the apples that were in the bowl in the picture graph there to help. If you look at the chart with the number of books read by Pablo, Janice, Helen, and Ray, number 7 says 2 children read 6 books all together. Who are these 2 children? If we are looking at the key word, we would see that this is a put together problem. All together means that we are adding. Ray read 4 books and Janice read 2 books, so 4 plus 2 equals 6 books. Number 8, 2 of the books are about cars. 2 of the books are about trains, and the rest of the books are about animals. So we need to figure out how many books are about animals. You need to count the books in the picture graph, which would be 10 books altogether. If we know that 2 books are about cars, 2 books are about trains, that's 4 books, and the rest of them are about animals. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. And this is a take apart problem. Your check for understanding: how many more books would Janice need to read to equal the number of books Pablo and Ray read all together? Equal means the same, and all together means that you're adding up. So you're going to add the total books that Pablo and Ray read. Pablo read 3 books, Ray read 4, and together they read 7 books. Janice already read 2 books. How many more does she need to read? So 7 minus 2 equals 5 more books. Janice needs to read 5 more books. Have a great day.